Good morning, class. I hope everyone had a nice and relaxing Thanksgiving holiday weekend. I know it was certainly relaxing for me and much needed. But it's great to be back. And if you can believe it, we only have 2 weeks of class remaining. We have this week, next week, and then the class is over. As I'm sure you've seen from the syllabus, this class does not have a final exam. So I think for this week we have an essay due, and next week a reflection essay, and then that's it. The semester is over. So congratulations for coming this far. And again, it really has been a pleasure being your instructor this semester. You as a class have been excellent, and I think what I love most about this class is that throughout, back in August when we first started, all the way to now, I can literally see the difference in your writing and the way you do sources. I mean, you've gotten better each and every week, and I've just been thoroughly impressed with the amount of the good writing that I've seen, the respect that you show on the discussion boards. And again, it really has just been, excuse me, a pleasure to serve as your instructor this semester. So a couple things as we finish out. First of all, I know, as I've mentioned previously, if you have any assignments that you're missing, that maybe you forgot to do an assignment and you received a 0 for not completing it. If you have any of those, shoot me an email and let me know, and I will let you make that assignment up. Again, I don't want anybody to have any zeros, on your record through the semester, because then those can severely impact your grade. So if you have any assignments that you're missing, just shoot me an email. And I know several of you have already done so. And let's work out something so that we can make sure you still get points for those assignments. You don't take a 0. But you have to email me for me to be able to make that happen. So just take care of that if you're missing anything, and we'll go from there. Also, I announced in the announcements a couple weeks ago, but there is an extra credit assignment. It's due this coming Wednesday, November 30th. So if you haven't done the extra credit assignment and you would like to, please complete that, by the deadline on Wednesday. Again, it's all in the announcement section if you need to refer back to what you need to do. Again, I know I've received it from several of you so far, which is great. And again, it's completely voluntary. You're not required to do it. You won't lose any points or anything by not doing it. But if you wanted to earn a few extra points for the semester, complete that assignment and then email it to me directly, and you should be good to go. But you have to do it by Thursday, because I won't accept any after Thursday. So, and then finally, I do humbly ask if you don't mind to complete the course evaluation. I know, sometimes those things aren't the most fun to complete, but I'll be brutally honest with you. I read every word of every evaluation that I get, and I really, truly take the information that you give me to heart. I really want to try to improve the class moving forward and make it, more enjoyable, more dynamic, and I can only do that with your honest feedback. So I welcome any and all feedback, whether it's positive or constructive, whether that's on me as an instructor, on the assignments, anything that you want to say. I read it thoroughly, and I really take those comments to heart. So please, if you don't mind, I would ask that you take 5 to 10 minutes and just complete the course evaluation. And remember, I can't see any well, they're anonymous first off, so I can never even see your name. But just know I don't have access to them until after I post final grades. So again, you can feel free to be as honest as you like, because again, anything that you write, it's anonymous and it won't affect your grade in any way, shape, or form. But again, I would humbly ask if you wouldn't mind doing that, because I really, really do take those seriously, and I would like to try to improve the course more as we move on. So, all right, class. Well, let's finish strong these last 2 weeks, and let's head into the holiday season on a positive note. So, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will try to respond to you as soon as I possibly can. But thanks again, and have a great week.